In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy table from Grok output to Google Sheets. If you've ever generated a table in Grok and wanted to keep working with it in a spreadsheet, this quick process will save you time and preserve your data's structure. We'll keep it simple and accurate so your headers, rows, and columns arrive in Sheets exactly as you expect. First, in your Grok output, select the entire table. Make sure you start at the very beginning of the header row and drag your cursor all the way to the bottom right corner of the table. You want to capture the full grid, including every column and row you intend to move. Take a moment to avoid trailing spaces, extra lines above or below the table, or any decorative characters that might sit outside the grid. If the table is long, scroll steadily while holding your selection so you don't miss any rows. With the table highlighted, copy it. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. If you prefer menus, you can also use the Edit Menus copy option. A quick check is to look for the selection to remain active after you copy. That's a good sign the content is on your clipboard and ready to paste. Now, open Google Sheets. You can use a new blank spreadsheet if you want to start fresh, or open an existing one where this data belongs. Give the sheet a moment to load fully so the paste happens smoothly. If you're replacing sample text or working within a template, confirm you're on the correct tab before continuing. Click the cell where you want the table to begin, often A1. This top left position keeps your headers in the first row, and your data aligned beneath them. If you already have information in A1 or want the table elsewhere, pick any starting cell that gives your table enough space to expand to the right and downward. Paste the table with Ctrl+V on Windows or Linux, or Command+V on a Mac. Google Sheets will place each cell into its own row and column, mirroring the structure you copied from Grok. Take a quick look across the first few rows and columns to confirm everything lines up as expected and that your headers are in the right place. That's it. You've moved a table from Grok to Google Sheets in a clean, reliable way. If anything looks off, simply undo and try the selection again, making sure you copied only the table. This small bit of care up front helps your data stay trustworthy and ready for analysis.